If you see the warning saying emergency call restricted workshop, you need to look at the SOS buttons panel and confirm that the light there is green. It means the system still works and you most likely have a temporary software glitch in your car. If the light is red, the SOS function will not work, and this is a safety concern that needs resolving because you aren't likely to get through an MOT in Great Britain or through any similar inspection in other countries with this. There are three main reasons for this message to appear on the dash of your car. First of all, this may be a signal overlay. The system uses a GSM network, and if something interferes with the GSM signal, like a radio station or a military object, you may temporarily see this message. The light near the SOS button will remain green, and you will experience the problem only in certain places. This is normal, and there is nothing you can do with that, so no fix is needed. The second problem is the software issues with Skoda multimedia systems. There were several model years with faulty software, but fortunately the software has been updated and you can check it with a dealership or even connect your Skoda to the internet to let it download the latest updates on your own. Also, some owners claim that getting the My Skoda app to their smartphones did the trick. The infotainment system was updated once they connected their apps to their cars, so you may try this without buying the app. Just use a 1-month trial for this. And lastly, there is a special control module that is responsible for the SOS system. In Skoda cars, it's called OCU, which stands for Online Communication Unit. These units have their own small batteries that are rechargeable and get charged from your main battery when the car is working. The lifespan of these small batteries is about 10 years. After that, they will start throwing this message, but there are still no OCUs of that age, so the problem is very often with long seating of your car. If the engine hasn't been started for a month or so, the small battery may be degraded. In some cases, driving for several hours will recharge it and bring it back to life, but sometimes these batteries will require replacement. Fortunately, this is not yet so common issue in Skoda and Volkswagen cars, but still it's worth knowing about it. The location of this module is awful. For example, in the new Octavia, the module is located just behind the infotainment screen, and it's not a DIY job unless you want to risk damaging some plastic trim.